Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn about the how to secure your WordPress website, which is a very high priority because WordPress websites are hacked easily. So how we can avoid this? So let's have a good discussion on that, how we are going to secure our WordPress websites step by step. Okay. So first of all, first point gonna be the good hosting company. So whatever the hosting company should be, it should be it should be like proper managing the directories, backups, everything. That should be the good hosting company we are going to choose. That would be the Cloudflare. That could be the this one SiteGround, which is specifically known for WordPress, and the GoDaddy again. Okay, so this kind of hosting you can purchase, which will take your backups, managing backups and sites, everything. So you can go with the good hosting company first. Second one, you need to protect your WP config file. So you need, because all of the things are written in your WP config file. So don't going to give the permissions of 755, 7777. Such kind of permissions will avoid, because if you are giving the 777 permissions to that kinds of files, then there would be easily attack on that file, and moreover the information can be steal from this file. Okay, so you can do that. You can need to protect the wp config file. Next we have disallow file editing. Somewhere when we go to the dashboard, when someone logged in with the dashboard, and they can edit your plugins file and the themes file, so you should disable that files edit. You write this code in the config.php, and it will not able nobody can able to write anything from the admin panel. Set directory permissions carefully. Setting the directory permissions to 755 and files to 6444 protects the whole system. So directory permissions should be 755 and the file should be 6444. That protects the whole system. All directories should be 755 or 750, and all files should be 6444 or 640. Exception, WP config have the permissions 440 or 400 to prevent other users to on the server for reading it. No directories should ever be given 777, even the upload directories. Since the PHP process is running on the owner of the files, it should get owner's permissions and can read the files. So better to give 7555 to directories. 750 you can also give, but in the other folder, in the other files, you need to give the permission 6444 or 640. Next, we have disabled directory listing with HTSS. Sometimes you have like leave a one loophole that you will allow the directory listing, so that should be avoided by using the option all indexes. Okay, block all hot linking. So this can you can install the plugin for it. Understand and protect against the DDoS attacks. So where there are certain security plugins that you can install, I will show you which one. So you can see that we have a WP activity log. You can also check these features. Now we have a bulletproof security, okay, which have the much downloads. Okay, you can also do that. Then we have a iTheme security. You can see that there are number of downloads. Security site templates to fit your type of this site. Okay, e-commerce network portfolio blog to secure a website in minutes. So it will secure your website in just a minutes. Okay, you can use this one. Next we have a all-in-one WP security to secure your WordPress website. And the main thing that is more trending, that is WordFence, which has all the features. Okay, so you can also go with the WordFence. You can see that how many votes they have. They have such kind of votes, malware attack and everything. Okay, so you can install this one also. Next we have website lockdown feature and the ban user. So you can go with any kind of plugin, so which can if user enters number of time the you password or something, you can lock their account or ban the users. I think securities, two-factor authentication you need to be set up. Use your email instead of username. This is the thing that you can do. Change WP login. We will all discuss with the help of the code also, like how we are going to achieve this. how we are going to secure the WordPress website. We'll all with the help of the code, configurations, files, everything. Adjust your passwords, use always SSL, change the admin username, monitor your files, change the WordPress database prefix, make backups regularly, set strong passwords, remove your WordPress version number. If you're doing such kind of things, then definitely it will protect your WordPress websites from being hacked by any users. Okay, these are the steps that you need to follow to protect your website. So in the coming videos we are going to learn about the like how we are going to do such kind of security implementation in WordPress website step by step. So please tune with us. Okay, any of the thing that you think I should add on this security one, you just let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.